Don't knock it till you try it. Our tandoori pineapple is a surprisingly delicious appetizer, both sweet and savory. Hi, this is Chef Nupur Varma from the Wooden Spoon, powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hind. I'm making a marinade with some dahi or curd. To that I'm adding garlic paste, ginger paste, red chilli paste. This is made out of Kashmiri chilies. You just soak the Kashmiri chilies in hot water and then grind it to a paste. Some lime juice, mustard oil. Mustard oil gives a very nice flavor to all your tikkas and tandoor stuff. Some jeera or cumin powder, a little bit of salt, to my marinade I'm going to add my sliced fresh pineapple and just a little bit of diced tomatoes and some diced green capsicum. You can even use your colored peppers. Give this a mix and allow the pineapple and the vegetables to marinate for about half an hour. My pineapple and vegetables have been marinated for half an hour. I'm going to grill these on a tandoor. I have an electric tandoor. In case you do not have a tandoor, you can put any jali on top of your gas and grill it there, or you could do this in the oven. I'm placing my pineapple pieces on my grill along with my peppers and my tomato pieces. I grill my pineapple and vegetables on both sides well until it starts charring a little. The pineapple, tomatoes and peppers are charred well. We're going to be serving this. Sprinkle some chaat masala and serve hot. Do like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you.